Today will be my first day at Colourkraft fitting the Liberty Walk kit to the Maserati, and I will be the apprentice. But when do you ever see an apprentice turn up for work in a Lamborghini? So we've got the Mustang outside on air, making the Lambo look so high. Should we air ride the Lamborghini as well as the Mustang? Let me know in the comment section below. And a common question that I always get asked is, how do I afford to insure the Mustang, the Q5, the Lamborghini, the Maserati, and of course the Golf R? And my secret is Adrian Flux, who have sponsored today's video. Now you might be like, oh my god, mate, you must pay an absolute fortune for insurance. But with Adrian Flux, they're car enthusiasts like ourselves. So whether you've got a track car or a modified car, or you do trips abroad, Adrian Flux has got you covered. So what I've done for you guys is I've put a link in the description box below for Adrian Flux, where you can go get a quote for your sports car, your modified car, or your track car. And I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. So go click it and check them out. I didn't buy a Lamborghini just to look at it in my unit. Right, off to Colourkraft. Okay, so here we are at Colourkraft, and they have been busy on the Maserati already. So remember, I previously bought that fiberglass body kit. It was an absolute nightmare to fit. It was horrible to fit. And it turned out it didn't really fit too great with the Liberty Walk kit. So we looked on eBay, looked for a genuine one, and this is what I found. Turns out after buying it, it's not even a genuine one. So it fits better, but not great. So we're still gonna have to modify and adjust it. So when I say we, I mean Colourkraft are gonna have to do that. But today's job is the other side, and that is my job. Obviously, I'm the apprentice here now, as you can see with my hoodie, and this side has not been cut or touched at all because they have saved it for me, and that is the deal. Obviously, with the Liberty Walk, they fit it here at Colourkraft, and the agreement was I'm gonna help. So let's get stripping apart this side, ready for the Liberty Walk kit to fit on, and then we can finally get chopping away at my Maserati. Let's do it. These bolts literally inside this wing are so difficult to get to.
Just cut them off.
Right, okay.
Mate, what have you done? I said cut the bolts off, not the bloody wing.
Oh yeah, I thought you meant the wing.
Cut the bolts, cut through the bolts.
Oh.
Cut through here.
Oh, yeah, all jokes aside, that is, well, the arch is going to be cut out a lot more than that. But yeah, just for the first cut, we thought we'd get straight stuck in with it. Can't tell. That's alright, Sam. Okay, so the arch has been fitted on and now taken off, and obviously I've drilled holes in my Maserati, which felt so unnatural. So there's loads of holes ready for the little pop rivets to go in. Now we've marked up here where I need to cut out, and obviously we're cutting it so the wide wheels that are going to go on won't catch them when it obviously airs out, and it doesn't look silly when you can see the normal arch through the wide arch. Now this is going to be a first time for me cutting out a Maserati, but let's see how it goes. Colourkraft are gonna obviously clean this up nice because I've made a mess of it, but it does the job. It looks okay, and obviously you see here now where the body is You see where the body is and where it used to be. This is actually going to be pinched together and then filled as well. So then no water or anything can go down into here and then start rusting away. But the arch is looking sweet-ish. Okay, day one complete. Pretty much all of the left-hand side on. The right-hand side has obviously already been done by Colourkraft, but I'm pretty proud that I've got this far. Check this out. Front is sort of temporary, sort of riveted on, and then we've got to do the push rivets in here and bolt that all on. We've still got arches to cut out as well. We've got the side skirt, which is fitted on nicely, and the rear, and then obviously I've cut all of this out as well, but it's still looking absolutely mad. The thing I love the most is this ducktail spoiler. That is looking sick. We're thinking of painting this black underneath, and then this body colour, and then maybe like a Liberty Walk sticker underneath there. Rear diffuser as well, that is looking sweet. Not sure if the exhaust is going to melt that or not, but overall it is looking sick, and it's getting me buzzing to get this out on the road, lowered down, all painted and ready for the summer. Right, okay, a couple days have passed now, and the guys have been hard at work on the Maserati. It's obviously my day off being an apprentice today, and look at it so far. The front bumper is now on and ready. The guys have smoothed off where the headlight washers would have been, and then also made some sort of like custom design bit on the bumper here to make the splitter fit from the Liberty Walk kit. Look how aggressive it is from the front end. Now on the side that I sort of kind of fitted, the arches have all been cut out and ready to go on there. The front leg's been put on, and also the side skirt extension is on as well. It is looking mental. When the wheels go on this, oh, it's going to look absolutely crazy, that is. And then ducktail spoiler, you've seen that, I put that on, and then we've got the rear diffuser as well. So massive progress already in a few days on the Maserati. So the original plan was to paint it body coloured, and then so go around with it like a red burgundy, and then I was going to wrap it. Now we've had a little change of plan, or possibly. So we're thinking of painting the whole car a different colour. Now let me know in the comment section below what colour you would paint it in. I've got a sort of idea. I want it to look evil, but let us know in the comment section. It's all possible. So for now, it's time to say goodbye to the Maserati, and hopefully the next time we'll be seeing it, it will be all fitted and in that paint shop. Okay, what an event, but it doesn't end here. Now the OG subscribers will know exactly what car this plate came off. Of course, the Audi TT. Let's put it on the Lambo. Yes! Kevin, we've got another big modification for the Lamborghini that's just arrived, haven't we? Now, modifying the Lamborghini is a bit of a sore subject for some of you, but my channel wouldn't be my channel if I didn't modify the cars that I own. And this has just came, and I'm so excited to open it. So remember when I said at the beginning of the video, should I air ride the Lamborghini? I have made the decision myself. Oh, would you look at that? It is beautiful. AIRRIDE, meet Lamborghini, Lamborghini, meet AIRRIDE. Okay, so this kit is an airlift kit with a 3P management. I've got this from Offset Auto House, which I put all their details in the description. Now, I know what you're thinking. Matt, Lamborghini spend hundreds and tens of millions and thousands of pounds on their suspension to make sure it is the best possible. Yes, and whilst that might be true, this kit right here is designed to cope with the power, the speed, and the weight of the Lamborghini. Now, I'm not claiming this is going to be better than the standard suspension on the Gallardo, but it's not going to be worse, and it's going to look cool. And don't worry, this doesn't give you a ticket to think I'll be chopping up the Lamborghini as well. So we've got some crazy builds, not only with the Lamborghini, but also the Golf R and all of the other cars on the channel, of course. And quickly before we go, as a thank you to you guys for watching this video this far and staying subscribed, I'm going to give you guys a little discount for all the MA hoodies, like the V8, the Bentley, the t-shirts, the tags, anything on my website. If you use code LAMBO5, you're going to get a nice little 5% off. That's exclusive just to this video, and it's only going to last for 1 week. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.